Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, class 6. As you know that we are doing our chapter number 5, and today our topic is the conversion of time, or from conversion of time we are going to cover the how to convert the years, days, months and hours. So a few things that you have to remember from page number 105. They are midnight to noon makes 12 hours and 24 hours in a day, 7 days in a week, and there are 52 weeks in an year, 12 months in a year, 365 days in a year, except if it is leap year, so it will have 366 days. So the most common calendars that we use, that we follow, they are solar calendar and the lunar calendar. In 30 days of September, April, June and November, these 4 months have 30 days and the other months have 31 days, but the February has 28 days, and if it is leap year it will have 29 days. So how will you convert years into months? If you want to convert 8 years into months, as you know that there are 12 months in an year, so you want to convert 8 years into months, so you will multiply 8 years by 12 months, they will become 96 months. If you want to convert 4 years and 6 months into the months, so you will multiply first 4 years by 12 and then you will add these 6 months into that, like this. 4 12s are 48 and the 6 months, the total months are 54 months. If you want to convert 18 months into year, how will you convert 18 months into an year? You will divide 18 months by 12 months to make them into year. 12 ones are 12 and 6. There are 1 year and 6 months in 18 months. How many weeks are in 5 months? How many weeks are in 5 months? You know that in 1 month there are 4 weeks, and in 5 months there will be almost 20 weeks. And how many days are there in 4 weeks? You know that 1 week have 7 days, and in 4 weeks there will be 7 4s are 28 days. How many months are in 84 weeks? How many months are in 84 weeks? If you want to find there are 84 weeks and how many months, you know that four weeks makes 1 month, so there are 84 weeks. So you can, 4 2s are 8 and 4 1s are 4, there will be 21 months in 84 weeks. Gibran took swimming classes for 4 weeks, however he missed 3 days. How many days did he take swimming lessons? So the number of days in one week 7. So he took the there were in 4 weeks 28 days. So he skipped 3 days. So we will subtract 28 minus 3. So he took the classes 25 days. Now come for the exercise 5D. Question number 1, 2 and 3 are objective type questions for your self-assessment. Now come for question number 4. You have to change the given years into months. If they are 13 years, so you have to convert them into months. What will you do? Yes, you will multiply them with the number of months in a year. If you have to change the given months into year and month, these are 49 months. You have to convert them into year and months. So you will divide them by 12. The remainder will be the months and the quotient will be the years. You have to change 18 months into weeks. 18 months into week. As you know that there are 4 weeks in 1 month. So you will multiply them by 18. So if you want to change 1935 days into an year, so you will divide them by as you know that there are 365 days in an year. First you have to convert these days into months and then into weeks. Now come for the word problem exercise. Naveed went to school every day from June to August, except the 4 Sundays in each month. How many days did he attend the school? At first, you have to find the days of that he total attended in these 3 months, 3 or 4 months, June, July, and August, 3 months, and then you have to subtract how many Sundays were there. Javed practiced karate 2 hours each day for 3 weeks. Calculate the number of hours he spent practicing karate. As you know that there are practiced karate for 2 hours in each day. In day there are 12 hours and in day and night there are 24. So you have to find out the number of total hours and then you have to subtract these 3 hours. A gardener has 64 saplings. If he starts planting 8 samples per day and starts on 10 September, when will he finish? So you have to tell how many days will convert these. If he plants 8 per day, so you have to divide them 8 and you have to tell at which date he will complete his task.